Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study English vocabulary effectively. To truly master new words, begin by incorporating spaced repetition into your routine. This method significantly boosts long-term memory retention. Always learn words in context, such as within a sentence or phrase, rather than in isolation. Focus your initial efforts on high-frequency words, as these will provide the most immediate benefit for daily communication and comprehension. Let's explore some engaging study methods. One highly effective technique is creating flashcards, either physical or digital, including the word, its definition, and an example sentence. Another great tip is to keep a dedicated vocabulary journal where you record new terms and their usage. Most importantly, actively use your newly acquired words in both speaking and writing to solidify your understanding and recall. To supercharge your learning, leverage smart resources. Online dictionaries are invaluable for precise definitions, synonyms, and example sentences. Many excellent vocabulary building applications and games can make learning fun and interactive. Additionally, immerse yourself in diverse reading materials, such as articles, books, and short stories, to encounter words naturally and see them in various contexts. Finally, consistency and regular review are paramount for lasting vocabulary growth. Aim to dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to your study, making it a consistent habit. Regularly reviewing previously learned words is crucial for reinforcing your memory and preventing forgetting. Set realistic weekly goals for acquiring new words, perhaps 5 to 10, to maintain motivation and track your progress effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.